Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 14th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar yen did drift up quite a bit today, but I got my Fibonacci retracement on here because like I said this morning, there's a chance that this right here is the end of an ABC correction on the 4-hour and daily time frame. If that's true, then this move up should potentially be a pullback to the downtrend. So we definitely want to try to observe this move up right here, see if it turns into a three-way pattern, like an ABC or something up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. If it does do like a three-way pullback and give you a nice Fibonacci bounce, I definitely would take it as a short, potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, if it just does maintain impulsive movement to the upside, which it definitely could because it never did break structure down, then definitely be careful because I mean it may not be the end of an ABC right here. I'm hoping that it is the end of an ABC, but we're just definitely gonna have to keep an eye on whether this move up maintains impulsive movement or whether it turns into more of like a three-way pullback. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.